Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will learn how to set up schemes for sales orders in Logic ERP. Let's get started. Head to the Setup module, expand the Configuration section, and open Setup Schemes for Sale Order. Let's proceed to create a scheme for sale orders. Under the Define Scheme Groups tab, click on New to create a new sale order scheme. Enter the scheme reference and scheme description. Click New Item to add products to the scheme. Now, select the main item, which is the product the customer will purchase. Then, select the scheme item, which is the product the customer will receive for free. Once both items are selected, click Save to add them to the scheme. Now, go to the Define Schemes Dates tab. The left panel displays the currently selected scheme, buy one and get one free, and the right panel displays all items associated with the selected scheme. Now, set the effective date from which the scheme should be applicable. Then, select the scheme basis. Since this is a buy one get one free offer, select quantity, as it is a quantity-based scheme. Define the minimum quantity required for the scheme to be valid in the minimum quantity value field, enter the relevant scheme name, and then save the data. Now, go to Scheme Details tab. The upper section displays the basic details of the scheme, including its name, validity period, scheme basis, and minimum quantity or value. Now, define the slab quantity in the slab quantity value field to specify the minimum quantity required to apply the scheme. Next, select the free item code or free item name. Then, enter the free quantity to define how many will be provided free under this scheme. Then, tick the Mark Item as Free option to ensure that the selected item is treated as a free item when the scheme is applied. Finally, save the data. The scheme for the sale order has now been created. Next, let's observe how this scheme works while generating a sales order. Now, let's transact the item on which we had applied the scheme and then save the sales order. As you can see, upon saving the order, the Choose Schemes to Implement window appears. This window displays the applicable free scheme associated with the transacted item. If you wish to provide the relevant item as a free item, simply select the scheme and click on OK to proceed. As you can see on the screen, the free item has been automatically added to the sales order. The item is highlighted in blue, indicating that it has been included in the bill as a free item under the applied scheme. Now, click on the Other Details option to view the bill values. Here, you can see the scheme amount reflected in the bill, showing its impact on the final payable amount.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.